Hello, this video is about compositions. Compositions of transformations. You can read, this is when the result, when two or more transformations are combined to produce a single transformation. An example is a glide reflection. A glide reflection is a transformation in which every point P is mapped onto point P double prime by the following two steps. Now, notice P to P double prime. We miss P prime. So first we have to go from P to P prime, and then from P prime to P double prime. So what this is saying is you can glide or slide and then reflect, or you can reflect and then glide or slide. That's all that's saying. And that you're going to, composition is if you have one or more transformations. Two or more transformations. So here's an example. Does this paw print illustration depict a glide reflection? Does it glide? Does it move? Yes, it moves up, moves over here, moves over here. So yes, it definitely glides. Does it reflect? If you can see a colored in thumbprint or paw print, and you can see that it is flipped to this side, and then flipped, and then flipped. So yes, it is a glide and a reflection. Look at example B. Here's A prime, A double prime. So if we look at this picture to this picture, do you see it as a reflection? And then the reflection is slid to the left. So it is a glide reflection. Look at C. Again, it is reflected and slid. So yes, this is a glide reflection as well. Let's do a practice problem. The vertices triangle ABC are as follows. So let's plot those. So here, this triangle ABC. The first, it says after a composition of the transformations in the order they are listed. So first we're going to subtract 4 from X, which means we're going to go left, and then we're going to add 1 to Y, which means we're going to go up. So we could put these and plug each of those in and get ordered pairs, or we can slide just by moving. -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, +1. So this is A prime. B prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, +1, B prime. C prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, +1, C prime. I'm going to make that a different color just so that we can see the difference. Then it says reflect in the line X equals 1. X equals 1 is this line. If you remember Bucks, Mr. Bucks, BUX tells us it is an X equals equation, and that it is a vertical line. So that means that every point is going to go to the line and go across it. So I will do it in blue. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is A double prime. C is on the line of reflection, So C doesn't move. B, 1, 2, 1, 2, B, double prime. So there is my composition of a translation and a reflection. You try it. Pause the video and come back. Okay, so the endpoints of line segment CD are 1, C, 1, 2. So 1, 2, C, and D, 5, 4, D. So there's my line segment. It says graph the image CD after the glide reflection. Translation -4 and Y doesn't move. So I'm going to move -4, that would go to the left, and Y stays the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I do not go up or down, and that is C prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, D prime. So there's line segment. And a reflection in the x-axis. So this is the x-axis. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. C double prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D double prime. Did you get it? Good job. Practice problem 2. Write a composition of the transformation representing this glide reflection. So first off, you have to find the pre-image, which has no primes. And then the prime here. So, looks like it is a reflection. So, looks like everything is equal distance from this line. So we're going to say that it reflect over the y-axis. And then what happened? It slid up. So XY became did the X change? No. But the Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 added 6 to each point. Now write one transformation or mapping that will accomplish the same glide reflection.